Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 3. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, so that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. So we will assume that a is a positive integer, a, b, any odd positive integer, and b is equals to 6. So we can write that a is equals to 6q plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 and less than 6. So we will get the form 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. So we are getting these 6 equations, and now we need to find the odd one from these. So 6q, it is even as it has no remainder, so it is even. And 6q plus 1, it has a remainder 1, so it is odd. 6q plus 2, so we can take common, 2 will be common, so 3q plus 1, so it is also even. So we will take 6q plus 3. So here we can write in the form of 2 plus 1. So from here we will take common, so 2 will be common, and 3q plus 1 plus 1. So there is a remainder, and here it is multiple of 2, so that it is even. So it is odd. So in this table we will write 6q plus 4. So from here we will get 2 as common, so 3q plus 2. So here is no remainder, so it is even. And from here we will take 6q plus 5. So we can write in the form of 4 plus 1. So we will get 2 into 3q plus 2 into 2 and plus 1. So plus 1 is odd as it is a remainder. So here we get 3 odd. One is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So hence for odd integers, a is equals to 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So that's all for this question. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.